Hello guys, in this video I will show you the steps to do in order to send an autoresponder email to your customers when somebody completes the form. As you know, the contact form 7 is working in the following way. When somebody completes the form, all the data that the customers added to the form will be sent to a certain email address that you add in the contact form 7 admin panel. So in order to send an autoresponder to the person who completes the form, we will have to go to the contact form 7 admin panel, select your contact form, and go to the mail tab. As you can see here, the email will go to the hello@penguinarts.com, and there is no autoresponder here, but to create one you will have to check this checkbox here, and these are all the fields that you have to complete in order the customer to receive your autoresponder. So in two field we'll add the email address that was completed in the form. From it will be Penguin Arts Tutorial, and we'll replace this with penguinarts.com, and here we'll add hello. Subject: this is an autoresponder. Reply to, and here we'll add hello penguinarts.com. Message body will be this is a test. Okay, let's save and let's complete the form and see what it happens. Test.com. I'll choose a file, orange, send. Oh, this is the validation we made earlier, so we have to replace this. Okay, and send. There is an error or what? Thank you. Okay, and if everything works correctly, we should receive the email in a few moments. Let's see if I edit the email. Oh, I forgot to add the address here. Let's complete it again. I will add here hi because we are logged in this email address. Send. Okay, the email is here. This is a test. Also, if I forgot to say, if you want to add the HTML code, you will have to check this. And here now we can add HTML here, test email, and add some paragraph. Save, and let's complete again the form. Choose file, this one, this, and send. Okay, it's working. As you can see, we have an #1 here and 2 paragraphs. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Subscribe and like the video, and also if you have any questions, I will respond to you in the comment sections. Thank you. Have a nice day.